Hello, my name is Stacy Park, and I'm a research fellow for the Digital Humanities at the Claremont Colleges. This 6th tutorial video on Scalar will teach you about using third-party platforms and iframes. This video will teach you how to use an iframe to embed a third-party platform or plugin. If you used another platform to create a timeline, a map, some kind of data visualization product, you can use iframes to embed the final product into your Scalar page. To read more about iframes and embedding third-party platforms, go to Scalar's user guide. So in the Scalar user guide, you're going to go to third-party plugins and platforms, and it'll offer you a nice breakdown of different types of third-party platforms you can use to create different text annotations, maps, or timelines, and it'll teach you how to embed whatever platform that you used into your Scalar book. So I'm going to use an example iframe that they have here. So embedding an iframe is pretty simple. The first thing you want to do is to identify the iframe source code of the product that you want to embed. Before you use another third-party platform, you should check to see if they allow you to gather iframe source code for free or not. Some software might charge you for that. This example software that I'm going to use to show you how to embed an iframe, this Tiki-Taki website does charge people a monthly rate to use their full services. So yeah, you just want to make sure that whatever it is that you're using to create something, you want to make sure that iframe source code is readily available. So here's how you do it. So let's say I created this Tiki-Taki timeline, which is shown as an example here, right here. I'm going to go to, in Tiki-Taki, I'm going to gather that source code information, and I'm going to copy and paste that URL link in this particular area where it says your URL in this bit of code there. So I'm going to take this whole URL, and should have the close parentheses. It's missing that, so I'll add that when I add it. And I'm going to show you how to embed that into the page. Once you have your iframe source code copied and pasted, you'll notice I have it right here. You're going to go ahead and create a new page, and you're going to title it with whatever page that the iframe is going to be associated with. And if you go to source, you're just going to copy and paste that URL. And if you hit the basic layout, this is your iframe. You're able to add text around your iframe still. So you could, or up at the top, you could say, whatever text you feel is appropriate for this particular page. And your iframe will show whatever product that you created in the third-party platform. And you can have whatever else around it. Another way you can feature an iframe is by using this blank slate layout, and that'll get rid of margins and other notes and parameters of a regular page and allow for your iframe to just be featured more prominently by itself. So there's two ways you can embed an iframe that way. Just as a reminder, again, you want to make sure that iframe source code for whatever platform you use is readily available, and it'll allow you to embed your product into Scalar seamlessly. And hopefully they don't charge you something, or hopefully you don't find out that you have to pay to use or to embed whatever you created before or after you created it. So to avoid any run-ins like that, just make sure that after you create something, you're going to be able to bring it into Scalar. Thank you for watching this tutorial video on Scalar. Feel free to contact us through our website or through email if you have any questions. Follow us on social media to see our latest updates.